Hello guys, welcome to the Train Parrot. Today I'm gonna give a very quick update, just a follow-up on what's going on at the moment in the market. And congratulations if you watched my video yesterday and you survived all the information I put on the table and you were able to read between lines. Actually, you didn't have to, because the title of the video was called Huge Bitcoin Short Squeeze Ready for Ignition. I don't know how that can be more clear. Some people still found it confusing, but as you can see, what we're currently seeing on Trading Different is how the price is little by little punishing each of the shorts that have been opening. You can see that right after they released the rate cuts of 50 basis points, the price went straight for all the shorts that were waiting there at 9 p.m. in my time zone. Right after that, after hitting 62, we print a bullish flag, and I made sure that you stayed informed both on Twitter, Telegram, and on Instagram that we have to very quickly hit the 63 level, because there is loss of liquidity there relative to what is below. And if we were able to break above it, of course, we are in continuation with this short squeeze. If we will have broken down, then the price will have had to go for 58. That's the only liquidity that is below the price that is worth the effort for the market maker to go lower. And that's a long distance up until 57. And we can see that the price went for 63. And now the price needs to obviously decide whether it goes for this chunk at 64, or if it starts going for bigger, way larger chunks at above 65, 67K, which is what many people are talking about. And I think if the market opens in New York and the markets were to have a correction on the Nasdaq and S&P, we might not necessarily see a continuation of this short liquidation event that we are currently seeing. And if we go now to TradingView, and here I have the megaphone pattern, and please appreciate that we are right now slightly above the bull market support band following our plan. This is the longer term plan. Of course, I talk about a potential plan for September based on past performance. That is my secondary plan. My monthly plan is the one I've been following up for many months. And so far, so good. We are printing this W pattern formation with a higher high, bullish divergence as well, hitting the bull market support band. But of course, this is the part that you probably don't want to hear, which is if the indexes, Nasdaq and S&P, were to do a bearish move for the remaining part of September, expect a little bit more of a down move on Bitcoin, possibly a last shakeoff. That is possible. It's not very likely because it depends on what the S&P does, and geopolitical tensions could cause that, or things related to elections as well. But so far we are following precisely the plan of the liquidity, and the liquidity was saying that the higher we go, the larger the pockets of liquidity we have for market maker to take. And it seems to be that the higher we are going, further people are opening shorts. You can tell here that right at this flag, people open new positions with stop losses or account liquidations at 64. And that is actually helping us to continue going higher, which is excellent news for us if you are long with me. Remember that I am long. I bought at 57, at 59, and at 53.5. So I have an average below 60. I think it's around 58 or 57 point something. And so I'm riding this wave and I continue to stay long, and I'm going to continue monitoring how things go with the daily in case I wanted to cut my long, but the initial plan stays the same, which is if we have a sell-off, I'm going to add to my position below 50s. If that happens, okay, if it doesn't happen, I just continue in peace to ride this wave and continue to destroy the shorts. So I hope you appreciate the update. Let me know if you want to know something more in detail, and I might be able to do another short video for today. Unfortunately, I don't have access to edit a full video with full length and all the detail as usual. I'm preparing as well to go back home, so I'm quite busy, but let's speak on Twitter. I'll see you there. Take care. Bye-bye.